Tyler and his buddy Margot Factories venture out by boat to Hawthorne, an elite eatery possessed and worked by superstar culinary expert Julian Slowik, situated on a confidential island. Different visitors going to the supper are Lilian, a food pundit, her manager Ted, well-off couple Richard and George, a post-prime celebrity and his own associate Felicity, and colleagues Soren, Dave, and Bryce. The gathering are given a visit through the island by the café maitre d', Elsa, who takes note of that Margot was not Tyler's assigned visitor for the night. The courses and Slowik's going with speeches progressively become seriously disturbing and savage. On Slowik's requests, one staff part offs himself and one more removes a visitor's finger. The eatery's fundamental financial backer is suffocated before the visitors, who later attempt to escape yet are gotten and returned by the staff. Slowik pronounces every one of the visitors were chosen since they either added to him losing his energy for his specialty, or in light of the fact that they earn enough to pay the rent off taking advantage of crafted by craftsmans like him, then reports that the night will end with everybody dead. Since Margot's presence was impromptu, Slowik gives her the decision of kicking the bucket with either the staff or the visitors. Slowik turns on Tyler, uncovering that he was welcomed by and knew up and down that the supper would end with everybody's demise, which infuriates Margot. It is uncovered that Margot is an escort named Erin whom Tyler has employed for the night, realizing without a doubt she would pass on. Slowik embarrasses Tyler further by compelling him to cook before the visitors and staff, then, at that point, drives Tyler to end it all by hanging in a close-by storeroom. Slowik concludes that Erin has a place with the staff and requests that she gather a barrel required for dessert, guaranteeing Elsa failed to remember it.